So guys, the first is the WhatsApp web that will help you to use your PC as your WhatsApp main chatting, so that you have to open the QR code scanner in your phone and open the app on your PC, and then you are able to use your PC as your WhatsApp, because it is really convenient. Most of you like to use a keypad on dialing, and it is really convenient, and that is a really amazing thing. And the next is the message yourself. Save your personal number on your phone, and so that if you want to send anything to your next phone or PC, send to yourself by saving your contact number, or really amazing things. So send to that will really help us. And going to the next is some amazing really good thing, that is chat shortcut. Like most of you want to chat with some guys only, and most of you don't want that guys only to chat. So go to the WhatsApp and get that, and if you are clicking on that person, if that is a really amazing thing, get all shortcuts and talk to them only. That is a really convenient thing. Going to the next is start message, means bookmark some messages that is useful for you, that you are able to use, that you are able to recognize that I bookmark this, and go to the start messages, and it will show you that these messages are starred with you. And this is a really convenient thing. I am using this personally, and I am really satisfied with this function, and function is also a really good thing, and just perfect things for some. And going to the next is app that you have to download, is text converter, that will give you some amazing fonts in Chinese, Japanese text converter, and it is just perfect. So you have to go to the Play Store and download this and apply to your keyboard, and then it will automatically change some your spellings or your full sentence to another fonts like Japanese font and many special fonts and unique fonts. So then it will send to your Japanese friend or Chinese friend which you do not know the actual sentence to work with. So next is use the broadband. So it will help you to actually make a group with some pupils only, and which is important for you, which is a really good topic to discuss, and that is a really good thing. And next is another app, is SendAFile. SendAFile is a really good app that is convenient to send your files to anyone from WhatsApp only. So chat, get any and select any app or select any application.